If your kitchen looks expensive in the daytime but useless at night, this fixes it. The problem is not your kitchen. The problem is where the light comes from. Overhead lights hit your head first. Then your hands work inside a shadow. So you can have a clean counter, nice cabinets, even a good backsplash, and still feel like the whole prep zone is dark. And at midnight, that ceiling light feels like a tiny interrogation room. You only wanted water, tea, or one snack. You did not want the entire kitchen to wake up with you. Hardwired under-cabinet lighting looks clean, but it can mean fixtures, wiring, switches, and labor. For renters, or anyone avoiding a project, that is too much for one dark counter. The micro hack is a rechargeable magnetic motion LED bar. You need the light bar, the adhesive metal plates, and the charging cable. That is it. No drilling, no electrician, no wire running across the backsplash. Look for a motion sensor on one end, because direction matters. Look for USB-C charging, so you can pull the light off and recharge it fast. And choose one with warm, neutral, and cool white modes. Warm is cozy for night. Neutral is better for food prep. Cool white can work for a utility area, but for a kitchen counter, neutral or warm usually looks better on camera and in real life. Most bars have always on, daytime motion, and night motion modes. Always on is for cooking. Night motion is for automatic glow when the room is dark. Night mode is the magic setting for late walks and snack missions. Before sticking anything, degrease the underside of the cabinet. This is the boring step, but it decides whether the hack works. Kitchen cabinets collect oil, steam, and dust exactly where adhesive needs grip. Wipe it clean, then dry it. Do not stick plates onto a damp surface. If the cabinet underside feels slick, wipe it again and wait a few minutes. Now test the position before peeling the adhesive. Hold the light under the cabinet and look at where the glow lands. Start near the front edge, not buried at the back. Front placement throws light across the counter instead of only lighting the wall. If you push the bar too far back, the backsplash looks bright, but your hands still work in shadow. Turn the sensor toward the direction your hand or body enters from. If the sensor faces the backsplash, it may miss you when you walk in. That one detail is why some people think motion lights are bad. The light is fine, the sensor is just facing the wrong way. Use painter tape as a temporary guideline. This keeps the light straight and gives you a last chance to change the position. Peel the backing from the metal plate, not from the light bar itself. Press the plate firmly so the adhesive seats flat. Use 2 plates for longer bars so the light does not twist. The plates stay on the cabinet. The bar comes off when it needs charging. Then snap the LED bar onto the plates with the magnets. Give it a gentle pull test before trusting it over your counter. Do not yank it. Just check that it is seated flat and not sliding. Set brightness lower for night paths and higher for chopping. Set color temperature based on the job, not just what looks pretty. Neutral white makes food prep easier because colors stay more accurate. Warm white makes the kitchen feel calm when everyone else is asleep. Now test the motion trigger from the real walking path. Do not test it only with your hand 2 inches away. Step back, walk in normally, and see when the bar wakes up. You want it to turn on before your hand reaches the cabinet. Most motion bars shut off after a short pause to save battery. That is normal. It is not broken. Do not place multiple bars so close that one light tricks another sensor. Space them across work zones, sink, prep area, coffee corner. For a coffee station, 1 short bar is usually enough. For a long prep counter, use 2 bars with overlapping light. The same product also works inside pantries and deep cabinets. Inside a pantry, mount it near the front lip so the shelves light up when the door opens. When it needs power, pull the bar off the magnetic plates. Plug in USB-C, charge it, then snap it right back. I would charge all bars in one basket so nothing gets lost. Pick the length based on cabinet width, not just the cheapest listing. A tiny bar on a long counter looks weak. A longer bar makes the whole surface feel intentional. This is where the kitchen starts looking designed, not improvised. Before, shadows under every cabinet. After, the counter finally has its own light. Now compare the cost. Rechargeable motion bars are usually about $10 to $20 for a 2-pack. Hardwired under-cabinet lighting can easily run hundreds once fixtures, wiring, switches, and labor enter the chat. And if you rent, the price is not the only problem. You also have permission, wall damage, and move-out rules. So for a dark counter, this is the low-risk version. Removable, rechargeable, and no landlord conversation. Clean the cabinet, stick the plates, snap the bar, aim the sensor. Then choose night motion for automatic glow or always on for cooking. At night, the kitchen turns on softly before you even reach the switch. During the day, your prep zone finally gets light where your hands actually work. Tiny upgrade, huge daily payoff. That is exactly what a micro hack should do. If your counters live in shadow, try this before you pay for wiring.